In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an incredible tool that allows you to create long, fully produced videos with scenes, dialogue, and background music. And the best part? It's free and unlimited. Watch until the end, because I'm sure you'll be amazed by the capabilities of this tool.
Lost again.
A graveyard? Seriously? This isn't real. Catch me!
Whoa there!
Who are you?
Just breathe, little one.
Close your eyes now. Almost time.
And now for the big reveal.
If you've ever wanted to create professional-looking videos without having to learn complex editing software or hire expensive video production teams, this tool is for you. With just a few simple steps, you can generate complete videos that include animated characters, realistic scenes, voiceovers, sound effects, and music. Whether you're a content creator, educator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with video production, this tool is designed to make video creation simple, fast, and accessible. Let me walk you through how it works and how you can start creating your own videos in just a few clicks. The process to get started is incredibly easy and user-friendly. First, you need to visit the tool's website and sign up. You can either use your email address to create an account, or sign in using your Google account, which I find to be a convenient option. Once you've signed in, you're ready to begin creating your videos. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The first thing you'll do is type your prompt. This could be anything you want, a brief description or a fully formed story idea. For example, you could write something like, a story about a boy who befriends the elves in the Elven Kingdom, and the tool will automatically create a story based on that prompt. You can also be more specific if you want, describing the type of video you want, such as 3D animation style or realistic animation. The tool uses your prompt to generate everything for you, including character designs, scenes, dialogue, and even a soundtrack that matches the tone of the story. One of the best things about this tool is that you can adjust the length of your video. The video duration can range from 1 minute to 6 minutes. If you don't want to choose, you can leave it on automatic, and the system will select the best length for you. This is particularly useful if you're new to video production and unsure about video timing. Additionally, you can select the video format, either vertical or horizontal. Vertical format is great for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, while horizontal is best for YouTube or Vimeo. Once you've set up your video parameters, simply click the Generate button, and the tool will start working its magic. Within moments, you'll have a fully produced video ready to download or share. The tool handles everything automatically, from creating the story arc to building the scenes and even adding voiceovers and music. It's a truly automated process that saves you tons of time and effort. After the video is generated, you can preview it by clicking on the play button. The video will play in full, allowing you to check out all the scenes, transitions, and sound effects that were added. If everything looks good, you can proceed to download the video. However, if you notice any inconsistencies, or if you want to make some adjustments, you have the option to edit the video further. The editing interface is straightforward, and it gives you full control over how the final video looks. One of the most useful features in the editing interface is the ability to remove or replace scenes. For example, if the tool mistakenly creates a scene that doesn't match the style you wanted, say, mixing realistic animation with 3D animation, you can easily remove that scene and replace it with one that fits your vision. The tool gives you the option to adjust the order of scenes, cut parts of the video, and even replace certain elements like characters or backgrounds. This level of customization makes it easy to fix any mistakes and fine-tune your video.
They say no one goes in the woods, that it's full of monsters. But I don't believe in monsters. I believe in magic. Everything I've ever drawn is in there.
So clumsy. Flat ears. What a strange-looking creature. An intruder. You are not welcome here. This clumsy thing is forfeit.
Additionally, there is a feature to download the video without the watermark, but to do so, you'll need credits. These credits can be earned by inviting others to join the platform, or you can sign up for a paid plan to get credits more quickly. For every person you invite, you earn 500 credits, which can be used to remove the watermark from your videos. If you don't want to pay for the credits, you can still generate videos with the watermark for free, and as long as you're fine with it, the tool works great without needing to spend a penny. As I've tested the tool, I've seen how easy it is to generate videos quickly, which is especially helpful for people like me who need to produce a lot of content regularly. But even though the tool is powerful, it's not without its flaws. Since it's still in beta, there are occasional bugs. For instance, sometimes the characters don't look consistent across scenes, or the tool might mix animation styles, like switching from a 3D cartoon look to a more realistic style in the middle of a video. While these issues can be fixed in the editing process, it's important to be aware of them when you first start using the tool. The good news is that the tool is continuously improving, and there are regular updates to fix bugs and improve its features. As of now, you can use the tool to generate unlimited videos for free, which is an incredible value considering the time and effort it saves you. It's also important to note that while the tool might not be perfect yet, it still offers a ton of potential for creators who want to produce high-quality content quickly and easily. One more feature worth mentioning is the ability to save all your videos in your portfolio. Everything you create is automatically saved, and you can access it anytime. If you decide you want to make changes later, or even create a new video with the same content, it's easy to go back and start from where you left off. You can also download your videos directly from the portfolio section by clicking the download button next to the video. For those of you who like experimenting with different styles, the tool also offers a variety of templates that you can use to generate videos in different genres. Whether you're into anime, horror, or educational content, there's a template for every need. These templates help streamline the video creation process even further, but again, there can be occasional style inconsistencies. If you run into these issues, you can always make adjustments in the editing interface. Despite these minor bugs, this tool is an amazing resource for anyone looking to create videos quickly and easily. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or personal projects, the tool allows you to create videos with professional quality in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional video editing software. It's perfect for creators on a budget, as it eliminates the need for expensive software or equipment. In conclusion, this tool is a game changer for anyone involved in video production. It allows you to generate videos effortlessly with just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, it offers a fast and affordable way to produce high-quality content. While there are still some bugs to work through, the tool's free and unlimited usage makes it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to produce videos at scale. So, if you think this video can help you, please like and subscribe. Your support is my motivation to keep creating more content.